Well, I'm going to start on this one first. Start taking parts and disconnecting things and oh yay, fun. Had me worried there for a minute. I thought I said 2.0, but it doesn't. Where's my flashlight? Need my flashlight. The Be Quiet case is a little bit more involved because it's got more wires and it's got a video card. Got a few ones that's gonna give me problems. Got it. Take these fans out. And probably take the top fans out too. I'm not sure yet. And why am I doing this? Because I can. I just want this motherboard in this case, because this motherboard, the Gigabyte Z390, has a little bit more of RGB on it, and this has got that glass side. It's tinted, but I don't know. I thought I would try it, and if it don't work, it don't work, and I just swap it back, but I want to try, because I want to know. Well, this motherboard and this setup work, and it should, because this case is technically bigger and it's also wider, so I'm not worried about width. So and yeah, that's what I'm doing so far. It's just gonna have to lay this down and then take the motherboard screws out and make sure everything else is disconnected. Stand. I think I need to take off the CPU fan. I'll just take this whole unit off as one. Put it in that case with that one over here. If it works, I don't know if it will or not. But we're going to find out. So there'll be an update to this later, because I'll let you guys know how it's going and if I run into any difficulties, which I'm sure I will. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. I've got to let my phone charge up a little bit, and yeah. This motherboard and everything, the video card, CPU cooler, is going to all get picked up and put into this case. And this whole motherboard, CPU cooler, and fan, going to get all picked up in one piece and put into this one. I hope that explains it good enough. I know a few of you are wondering what I was doing, and I'm just wanting to see if this will work. I think it will, but like I said, an inquiring mind like mine, I just got to know. I just got to know if this will work. I think it will. So, alright guys, I'll be back. I'm going to see if I can get this video uploaded to YouTube. So, I'm recording this on my phone. So, be back with you in a bit.